I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Cash App problem. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of Cash App and you will enter here. Then in this page, you will click on Force Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.